Chemical-based shampoos can worsen some scalp condition. It can stress hair, leading to hair fall, thinning hair, and itchy scalp. This homemade, organic, and natural Amla, aloe vera, and coffee shampoo will help to cleanse your scalp and nourish your scalp as well, cleanse hair and nourish your hair. This shampoo will not strip your hair of its natural oil, rather it will strengthen and promote healthy hair growth. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Goodness, and on this channel I like to create content around natural hair and natural beauty remedies, so do consider subscribing and be part of this amazing community. The first ingredient we're going to be using in this shampoo is black soap. I'm using black soap because it is a soap that is traditionally formulated with natural and herbal ingredients such as plantain extract, cocoa pod, shea butter, palm extract, among other natural ingredients depending on where it is made. African black soap helps to clarify and cleanse our scalp and hair. It helps to remove impurities and make our hair healthy. So I went ahead to shred my African black soap and set it aside. Next is aloe vera. I am also going to be using fresh aloe vera in this shampoo, and I'm using aloe vera because aloe vera can break down excess product build up on the scalp. It can help to reduce excess sebum, unclog pores, calm itchy scalp, and also balances the pH level of our scalp. Now you want to clean your aloe vera properly before going ahead to use it, and in here I have cleaned my aloe vera, then I went ahead to cut it into small chunks. I'm going to be extracting the aloe vera juice, which is what we need. So you want to make sure to cleanse your aloe vera properly to avoid irritating your scalp, and I have a video on the channel that can help you cleanse your aloe vera properly. I'll put the link to the video in the description box. And also, if this is your very first time being here on this channel, you are most welcomed. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Like this video if you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share your opinion, your suggestion in the comment section. So here I have my aloe vera ready, and I'll go ahead to pour it into my blender, blend it and set it aside. I actually blended it off camera just to save time, and then I set it aside. And next I'm adding amla powder into my black soap. Earlier I shredded this black soap, and it's time to add some Ayurvedic powders, and I'm starting with amla powder. Amla powder strengthens and nourishes the scalp. It helps to reduce dandruff, reduce hair loss, and also when you use it for a longer period of time, it can help to reduce premature graying of hair. Next I'm adding coffee, and here I'm using raw coffee powder, but you can use the regular Nescafe. I'm using coffee because coffee contains caffeine, which can help to stimulate the hair follicles to promote hair growth, and it also improves blood circulation around the scalp. Coffee helps to prevent hair loss, and the caffeine helps to stimulate and promote fast hair growth, hence the reason I'm using it. Now I went ahead to pour in the aloe vera juice I blended earlier, and now I'm going to combine properly. Now when you add your aloe vera juice, it may not look too watery as it has not dissolved. Just be patient and leave it to dissolve, after which you can adjust the consistency. If it is too thick, you can add more liquid, more aloe vera, or more water, and if it is too watery, you can even go in with more soap just to thicken it. But the trick here is to add your aloe vera or your liquid in small batches, just to make sure it doesn't get too watery. So you can see it's beginning to dissolve already, but I'm going to set it aside overnight. So I left it overnight, and here it is the following day. You can also leave it for 24 hours and stir in between as you leave it. Now here it is, everything has fully melted, everything has fully dissolved. The black soap, the amla powder, the aloe vera, everything has the coffee too, everything has infused into one another. And now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients, but before then I will make sure I filter it or I strain it properly, just to make sure any tiny particle from the coffee or amla powder or black soap doesn't get into my hair. I strained it twice just to make sure it is smooth, but at the end of the day I literally got nothing. Like, it was smooth, everything dissolved fully well. Although mine came out very smooth, I will recommend you also use this process, like strain it twice at least, just to make sure your black soap is as smooth as possible and with no particles. You don't want to wash your hair to find out you have tiny particles from coffee, from black soap, from amla powder laying on your hair or on your scalp. So you want to make sure you strain it properly. This is what I have, but literally it was smooth. So here was the second straining and I got nothing. And now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients into this black soap shampoo. Alright, so I'm starting with my olive oil for conditioning. I love using olive oil a lot as it helps to condition our hair very well, but you can choose any other oil. There's grapeseed, almond, any oil you feel comfortable with. And I love peppermint essential oil. Like, there's this minty feel it gives on the scalp, which is why I am adding it. I went ahead to add my tea tree essential oil, vitamin E, and my fragrance. All the list of the ingredients and their right measurement will be in the description box, so do check it out. So our shampoo is ready. This shampoo will help to cleanse, nourish, and strengthen your hair. This shampoo will not strip your hair of its natural oils, rather it will nourish it and promote fast hair growth. All the ingredients are natural and you can feel free to also substitute with the ones you feel comfortable with. So thank you for watching this video. I do hope you have subscribed. If you have not, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, share your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay beautiful. Bye.